Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube shorts not showing. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing what you want to do is simply go ahead and start by updating the YouTube application. In order to do so, simply go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for YouTube. Once you've done that, click on the application and there's going to be a blue update button where the open button is. Once you've updated your application, you want to check if you accidentally hid your shorts. So in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your YouTube, click on your profile. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on the top right settings icon right over here. Once you've done that, you want to look for your activity right over here. If you simply don't find it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for general settings right over here. And inside of here, you could possibly find it. If you don't find it in there, then you want to click on your data in YouTube. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page of right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down. Until you find web and app activity and click on see and delete activity. Finally, scroll all the way down, click on the delete tab right over here and click on always. This will simply go ahead and reset your YouTube activity and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then the only option you can fix this is going to be by uninstalling and installing your YouTube by tapping and holding on the app, clicking on remove app and re-downloading it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.